जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्ययोगमु 30th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, if even the most sinful person worships me with undivided devotion, he must be considered as most righteous, because he has taken the very essential resolution in his life, that is, worshipping me with exclusive devotion. For the reason he has rightly resolved, he must be regarded as most righteous. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma making it very clear that the ultimate purpose of life, the essential resolution for the life is to worship Sri Krishna Paramatma Sriman Narayana with undivided devotion. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Api chet suduracharo भजते माम अनन्यभाक् साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यक् व्यवसितो हि सः। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Kasyapa saying to Diti like this, O Diti, for all the help that you are giving me, for all the support you are giving me, there is no way that I can repay. But, O Diti, now you are asking for children. Definitely, Karavani, I will fulfill your wish. But, Taruni, Vokka Muhurtamundumu, ఇది సంధ్యాకాలము, ముహూర్తం ప్రతిపాలయ. హోదితి, జస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ మొమెంట్స్, బికాజ్ ఏషా ఘోరతమా వేళ, దిస్ ఈజ్ సంధ్యా సమయం. ఇన్ దిస్ టైమ్ భూతపతి రుద్ర అలాంగ్ విత్ హిజ్ ప్రమథగణాస్, he will be wandering all over the places. Hoditi, etasyam sadhvi sandhyayam bhagavan bhutabhavanaha. Bhutapalaka Rudra, Shiva, on his Vrishabhavahanam, along with his Pramadhaganas, he will be going all over the places in this entire creation. Hoditi, such Bhagavan Rudra, Smesana Chakranila Dhuli Dhumra Vikirna Vidyota Jata Kalapaha. That Rudra will be glowing with divine effulgence, and because of the heavy wind coming out from burial ground, that Parama Shiva's, Rudra's, Bhutapati's matted hair will be all over. That Jatajutam will be flying all over. Not only that, with all the bhasmam which is coming out from burial ground, that Bhutapati Rudra will be spreaded with that bhasmam on his entire divine body. With all this, he will be glowing with divine effulgence, and not only that, Tribhip Pasyati, with his 3 eyes, Trinetras, he will be watching, he will be observing, he will be noticing everything in this entire creation. That is what is the time now, that is what is the Sandhya Samayam now. Like this, Kasyapa telling to Diti. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter 30th श्लोक। अपि चेत् सुदुराचारो भजते माम् अनन्यभाक् साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यक् व्यवसितो हि सः। अपि चेत् सुदुराचारो भजते माम् अनन्यभाक् साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यक् व्यवसितो हि सः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।